let's be honest, we all want to look like this guy, right? Well, maybe not exactly like this guy, he looks kind of embarrassing, but you get the point. We all want to be successful in what we do. And especially if we get financially compensated for what we do, it's even better. I dare to say it's the best job that you can do, the one that you love doing and you get fairly compensated for. So in today's video, we'll take a look at how I'm able to fly my drones for a living and earn some, I would say, good money out of this hobby and share some really valuable tips with you so you can do it too. Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mike. Welcome back to another video. Happy New Year everyone. I hope we all have a fantastic 2022 and we all crush our goals. So for this video, I will share all of my income streams. I will show you what else you can do besides those income streams to add on top of that so you can generate even more money. As we all know, there's so many possibilities, so many options to earn money from what you're doing, but I will share my personal experience first and then I will show you some more examples of what else can you do on top of that so you can earn even more. So the first income stream that I have on my channel is of course AdSense. AdSense is a program by YouTube which allows advertisers to put ads in front, during or after your videos, so when people watch them or click on these ads, you get some kickback and you start generating some money. AdSense is very unpredictable. It comes and goes as it pleases and really depends on the season. For example, the holiday season is one of the strongest periods for AdSense where advertisers are spending a ton of money so they can put more ads in front of everyone so they can do more shopping and buy their products. However, during January, February, or more of the slow months, the AdSense money is just very unpredictable, very low compared to some other months, and it's not ideal to rely on this income stream. AdSense is currently responsible for roughly 25% of my total income, so as you can see, it's definitely not something that you should put all of your hopes in because it's very unreliable and it's also not very high when it comes to comparing it to other income streams. The second income stream that I have is affiliate programs. Affiliate programs is huge for my channel as it generates almost half of the money that I make during 1 year. 42% of my income is due to affiliate programs. Affiliate programs are very basic thing. Basically, you register on a company's website where you can generate a link for a specific product. And when you recommend this product to your audience and they click on it and buy something after that in a specific window of time, sometimes it's 2 weeks, sometimes it's a month after clicking on that link, you get a kickback in a different percentage depending on what they've bought. You get a kickback in your account. So for example, if I recommend the DJI Mavic 3 to you and you click on the link in the description, you go to DJI's website and you buy one, I get 5%, if I'm not mistaken, 5% of the total amount that you spent on the website. In the past, these affiliate programs have been a very small percentage of what I earn during a year because I didn't have a lot of audience, I didn't have a lot of clicks towards these affiliate programs, and I just didn't generate enough sales so I can have a lot of money from this income stream. If you take a look around, you will see that pretty much every company has an affiliate program. So if you're a creator yourself, it's a very wise idea to register for all of these affiliate networks and start generating those clicks towards these websites, but it's important to not make it in a spammy way. It's important to not just mass paste these links everywhere you can because it's a very spammy and bad behavior that obviously will get you banned from most platforms out there. So it's important to keep it natural and of course only recommend products that you would actually recommend. It's a very thin line between being authentic and recommending products that you like or being greedy and spamming people with links because you want to generate more sales. So be careful about that. Some of the affiliate programs that I use the most are Amazon, DJI, iFlight, RealSteady, Epidemic Sound or Artlist, Insta360, and a couple of more. As you can see, these are all big companies that are very popular. They have a strong name that people are familiar with, and obviously they produce good products, because it's important to recommend good products to people instead of just everything that you can, so you can generate more sales. The next income stream that I have on this channel is sponsorships, and I'm only scratching the surface of what's possible with sponsorships, as I only recently started accepting sponsorship videos on this channel. And here again, we have a thin line between what is acceptable when it comes to a sponsored video and what is not. There are so many channels that are promoting some really bad looking mobile games, or some pills for hair loss, or Viagra pills, or some other stuff that I just generally don't understand why they would accept. However, there's some really good sponsorship ideas which, if they're connected to the topic of your channel, might be a great way to not only get some extra income, but also recommend something to a part of your audience that might be specifically interested in that exact product. Sponsorships are currently responsible for roughly 18% of my total income that I've made during the year. And I have to be honest, I plan to ramp up the sponsorship videos on this channel as I've passed 100,000 subscribers, and I'm getting a lot more interest from companies that want to work with me and are proposing some really good ideas for sponsored videos. And I have to be crazy not to accept them. So of course, I will make sure that these videos make sense for you guys. I will not just accept everything that is thrown towards me. My next income stream is my web store. On my web store, I sell a lot of digital products, like some LUTs for different drones, like the Mavic 2 Pro, the Mini 2, the Air 2. I'm working on a LUT for the Mavic 3, and I also sell my Lightroom presets, which you can use to quickly enhance the look of your photos. On top of that, I also have some t-shirts, some hoodies, some hats, and recently I also started doing coaching on my web store. The coaching thing is still kind of new, and I still haven't really explored it completely. I haven't really talked about it that much on this channel as well, but I plan to do it in 2022, as I get a lot of questions that require a lot of attention, a lot of dialogue between me and that specific person. And as I value my time, it's impossible to answer all of these questions during the day. Otherwise, I will do nothing but answer questions. So I decided to do this instead and sell this coaching session, which is 60 minutes long, where you can ask me anything and I can give you all of the feedback that I can, all of the little tips and secrets that I have. It's not really a secret, but all the things that I know, I can just dump it over you, so you can have all of that knowledge quickly and efficiently, instead of just writing back and forth on Instagram and I wouldn't say wasting my time, but you know what I mean. It's just a lot of time spent in chats, in DMs, where I cannot really focus on anything else if I want to help you. Currently, my store generates just 7% of the total income that I make. It's something that I see a lot of potential in, but I still haven't fully developed. So I'm working on that in 2022 to make better products that I will sell on the web store, and also to improve all of the products that are currently on there. I would like to present the best products that I can for you guys. My next income stream is local filming, and this is something that I don't have a big passion for. It's just something that I do on the side while not working on other projects here for YouTube. And this is something that happens very naturally, because people just hear about what I do and they want to have a video made, like a small commercial or a personal project for someone, or an event that they want me to cover by flying with my drones and record something and edit a video for them. And it's something that happens very naturally. It happens because of word of mouth, and happy clients are always the ones that are telling other people about the work that I've done for them, and they contact me. The truth is, I never search for local work. It's always the other way around. People always find me because they want something to be recorded for them. So it's a nice way to generate some extra income by basically not doing any marketing for yourself, because the real marketing happens by word of mouth, which is great because it means that you're actually doing a good job. But it could be something that can take a lot of your regular time that you can put in regular projects. So it's important to decide whether you want to spend a lot of time for local filming, or you want to be focused on your regular general projects that you work on for YouTube, for example. Local filming brings me just 6% of my total income. So as you can see, it's really not a huge thing for me. It's really not that important for me. So that's why I haven't really focused on that too much. But I know for some people, it might be great to just explore their area, contact some people, and just let them know that what they can do for them, and just start working with some local companies and people so they can generate some more money from flying with their drone. And lastly, just 2% of my income is generated by licensing some photos and videos for some companies. It's something that I honestly don't think I'm going to do a lot of, but who knows, in the future, I'm open to that. This year, I worked with Polar Pro to license some photos for them so they can use them on their website and their social media. I used the GoPro Hero 10 and their Polar Pro ND filters for this little project that I shot for them, and they were extremely happy with the content that they received. Now, if you go to their website, you can see on the section where they sell the ND filters for the GoPro 10, you will see a photo of mine, which I'm really proud of, and I really like that photo. But they were also very happy to have these photos licensed so they can use them for their own projects as they like. So that's something that you can do if you approach companies that you like and you think you can deliver some good photos or videos that they can use both for their website or their social media profiles. You can approach them and ask them if they would like to collaborate, to work with you. And of course, after that, you'll have to talk things through and just let them know what you can deliver and how much you're looking to get from this. But it's all a matter of discussing and just arranging things with them. So it's kind of difficult if you're just starting out, but the more you do it, the better you'll feel about it. And of course, if you have some previous examples of work that you've done for other people or companies, it's always welcome to show that you can actually do the job just fine. So yeah, it's just another way to work with a specific company and form some relationships. So these are just my personal income streams when it comes to earning money with my drones and the content that I'm able to make. However, there are so many other possibilities to earn money with your drones, and I'm going to quickly go through them because I know what I currently do is not perfect. Of course, you can always do more, you can always earn more, but as everything else in life, there has to be some balance, and you have to find the right balance that works for you. But with that being said, let me just quickly list a couple more possibilities that you can explore when it comes to earning money with your drone. So first, you can use your drone to shoot some photos or videos for real estate. You can find some hotels, some villas, some apartments, some complexes that always need those aerial photos or videos. You can contact them directly and start generating some extra income for you. And also here in Bulgaria, this is not very popular, but I know how popular this thing is in the US, for example, and that is roof inspections. You can do that too. You can find a lot of companies that need this type of service. So if you have the license to do it, it's always a great idea to explore it. Another way to earn some money is by creating stock photos or videos. This is something that I've been thinking about, but I find it a little bit boring and I never found the time to do it. But I know for a fact that there are tons of people looking for stock photos or videos right now as we speak. So the more stock photos or videos you produce, the better the chance is that someone will actually look for them and buy them from you. And I know that there are some people who are only doing that as a career and they're just swimming in money. And if you think it's something that works for you, it's a great idea. The next income stream idea is for those who are a little bit more advanced, and that is to use your skills to shoot some weddings, some commercials, some other events, or even movies. Recently, we saw Johnny FPV and his shots in Red Notice, which was just groundbreaking for me to see on a big screen. It was just amazing to watch some FPV shots inside a large Hollywood production. And remember, Johnny FPV is one of the biggest names when it comes to FPV, but he started as a freestyle pilot and racer. So he managed to take his skills to the next level, and he's earning some amazing money from his skills right now. So it's another idea that is worth exploring. When talking about FPV, there is another opportunity that can be explored, and that is to build FPV drones for other people. If there's a big interest for FPV in your city or even in your country, I'm sure you will find some people who don't want to build their own drones. So you can explore that possibility, learn how to build those drones, and just generate money from building them and selling them ready to fly to your potential customers. And finally, the last two income stream ideas that I have is to sell your own prints. It's a very popular thing that many people do, but if you are able to shoot some nice looking photos, I'm sure there will be some potential customers for your piece of art that will be happy to hang them on their walls. And finally, you can look into NFTs, because there are tons of people getting into NFTs right now, making a ton of money by selling their NFT projects to some other people. And it's like an online collection for people to buy, which is still kind of new. And I know many people are thinking that that is a fad that will go away very soon. But for me, I think it's something that will stay for a very long time, and it's something that is still relatively new. So not that many people are heavily invested into NFTs. So if you want to be one of the first into that NFT drone space, you still have time to do it. Anyway, that's pretty much everything that I have for you in today's video. It's been a very long video, but hopefully you can take away some of the things that I mentioned and incorporate them in your own life, in your own career. And even if you only fly drones on the side like a hobby, you can still generate a lot of extra income for you. And remember, this is how I started too. I started back in 2016 just flying drones for fun as a hobby on the weekends, and now it's something that I can call a career, and I'm really proud of it. I'm sure if I can do it, you can do it too. And I know there are tons of opportunities and possibilities for all of us. So hopefully you will get inspired by this video and start doing what you love and getting some money out of it. So thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. I'm pumped for 2022, and I have so many projects that I cannot wait to share with you. It's going to be a good one. Hopefully with your help we can make it an even better one. So stay tuned for my next video. Thank you so much for your support. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy. I'll catch you very soon. Ciao.